Got all sorts happening today. Came home, whacked the 3D printer on. That's printing me a cup holder for in my centre console. So that should be done soon. And on the car, gave it a good wax before, so that's all done. And just been playing with this turbo timer setup that I've got. So it's just a relay timer with an adjustable knob here that you can change the timer, so it can actually do minutes or seconds. So now it's currently on 35 seconds. You end up wiring an earth to it, and you wire it up to the main column thing basically, so where the key goes in, but just done it on the opposite end of the switch, plug. So you're actually taking power from the constant feeding it to this, and then that feeds back. So then when you go and actually, so here I'll end up putting a jumper in here, but what I'll do is I'll put it on a switch so you can actually switch it. But if I jump that, hold it long enough, see the timer starts and the fan's on, so basically that would be the car running. It counts down. So yeah, that's pretty rad. So I need to figure out what I'm going to do switch wise. Hide a switch somewhere or wire it up to a factory switch of some sort. But yeah, counting right down to a millisecond. And yeah, car's off. So yeah, a real easy way of making turbo timer without all the turbo timer stuff, I suppose, with little screens and stuff on them. I suppose it's a bit harder to adjust, but I don't like the factory or the ones you can buy, the aftermarket ones, so I thought I'd make my own. I can push up on the D-pad here, so up on the mirror switch. I've got it wired to that, so that clicks the relay on, turn the key off, has the keys out, look away from the car, and eventually shut off.